You okay with being on YouTube?
I don't care.
So we'll both get a chance to try it out. This is welcome to Driven to Compete channel. Welcome back. If you guys have been checking out the channel, I'm taking Baba Yaga out. My buddy Chris here, and you know I love to give everybody nicknames. So Crotch Rocket Chris here.
That works.
That works. So Baba Yaga, I've been working on doing little stuff here and there to it. Really haven't driven it since it was tuned last, and we turned the power up. So thought we'd take it for a little drive. Chris has never ridden in it, and I really haven't driven it since we brought it home. So thought we'd have little first impressions here. It's always about first impressions, isn't that what they say?
That is.
Sounds good.
It does.
It is a bit obnoxious, I think. We'll find out what your thoughts are when we're done. Make a little loop, get the tires warm up a little bit. Not to get into stones.
Yeah, I don't blame
It sounds fast, but it's a Mustang, guys. We know they're not fast, right? That's what they all tell me. All the Hellcat guys will tell you, everything but a Hellcat's fast. It's slow, you know, if Hellcats are anything fast. Camaro guys will tell you if you don't have an LS in it, and it's slow.
True.
And you know, Ford guys will tell you Fords are junk. Right? We don't tell them. We don't brag our stuff up.
Fair enough.
Our shit's slow. So isn't Mexico beautiful this time of the year?
That's funny. She definitely sounds good.
Yeah, aluminum drive shaft, one-piece drive shaft on it. The Volkswagen behind us is pushing me. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Look at my face, I can tell you this bitch is a handful to hold on to. I'm not gonna kid you. What were your thoughts?
That's pretty badass.
We went from literally 35 125, and I just like that didn't take long.
No. No, not at all.
This 331 gear change, the car holds boost forever. Did you feel like it was ever going to bleed boost off?
No.
And I never ran out of RPMs with that gear change.
No.
I had 373s in it before, and the car would just, it would hit hard, and then boom, I was in red line.
Right.
Constantly. Yeah, I don't know where the Volkswagen's at.
He's way back here.
They're trying.
There he is. He waved to you.
I'd love to watch it, but I can't. I'd love to watch how fast that speedometer climbs.
Pretty quickly.
Does it climb quick?
Yeah. I didn't watch it the first time. I watched it the second time.
Does it?
Yeah. You went from 30 to 60 in like fucking 2 seconds.
There's the Jag. Or, I'm sorry, the Tesla.
That was a Tesla.
You say it was a Tesla, I say it was a Jag.
I'm telling you, it was a Tesla.
Alright. I'm not gonna argue with you.
I get right there, it didn't even feel like you were doing 60.
What do you think, son?
That's pretty badass. That's an adrenaline rush and a half right there.
Would I hang with a sport bike?
Oh my god. You'd blow my R1 out the water. I might get you off the start, but I can't compete with you once you get rolling.
His bitch isn't spinning anymore. I think that was a smart thing to change his gears out.
Yep.
You know, here's the problem. You can get on the internet and, you know, anybody that's watching video, I'll say this. I've reached out to guys on Instagram that are at the track, that are running these TVS blown cars or Whipple cars or, you know, and manuals, and I've said, you know, what gears you guys running? You know, because they're making similar power or more, and they're not really forthcoming on what mods they did that they really picked up power on, what gears they're running. And when I went to the performance shop, you know, DGR, I mean, he's done gear changes and he's done all kinds of stuff like that, but not on an S550, so not on a 15 or newer. He really doesn't see that. He tells me he doesn't have guys coming in to do that. And so I just, you know, I didn't know what I was going to do. I got a set of 355s in the garage. I had 331s in the garage I picked up. I mean, you know, they're not a lot of money, so I took them to the shop, and I said, put them in, do the tuning, drive the car, and you tell me, if I need to drop to a 355 because you feel like I'm slower, then tell me. You know, we'll put a 355 in. And he said he thought I was going to be ecstatic with that. And so I really think that made a huge difference on traction.
I think so. It didn't want to slide at all. She held.
Yeah, it holds the power. So there you go, guys. 331 gears in the back end. And I'll tell you another thing that helped too, because I have everything solid mount in the back, is you know, so I went to a one-piece drive shaft, and that made a difference too on some of the clunking, some of the play. So that was one of the last things I hadn't gotten a chance to do, and I think it made a huge difference as well. So anyway, check out the channel, keep watching. Thanks. Have a great night.